Hey guys, welcome back to another KSR tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be going over how to install Ubuntu. This is Ubuntu 11.4, I'm sure, or almost sure. This tutorial will kind of go along with the later updates because it kind of works the same way, unless they completely revamp their website or whatever. But as you just saw when I pulled that up, we're going to be using Ubuntu's website. I don't have like a media file download or anything like that for Ubuntu. Easiest way is their website. There is a link in the description below. It'll be ubuntu.com. You can either tap it in or just do that. Doesn't really matter. But once you get to Ubuntu's website, it'll look something like this. And yes, 11.04. This is the newest one. I personally don't use 11.4. I actually downgrade mine to classic look because I've had the issue of my banner up here. I have my mouse going across, yeah, right there. It actually disappeared. That sidebar will be disappeared. Unless you know how to work the terminal really well, you're not going to be able to get it back. So right now, I kind of recommend downgrading, but you can do whatever you want. I'm sure somebody will watch this video in a couple months, it'll be completely fixed, and they'll be like, well, I don't know why you said that. Well, sorry, that was my personal issue. So, let's go ahead and go to the downloads in the navigation bar. And here is where it gets a little tricky for Mac users. If you have Windows, click Run It with Windows. If you have a Mac, try it from CD or USB stick, or download and install. But if you download and install with a Mac, it will not work. It is the same as doing it run with Windows. Me and my brother, we went over this because he has a Macintosh, and it took forever for us to figure this out. We actually called my buddy and he came over and fixed it for us. But what you have to do is try it from a CD or USB stick, download it to your computer, burn it to the disk, start it up, run the exe file, and install it from there. I'm not going to actually be making a tutorial on that because I do not have a Macintosh, but if I can get my brother's, I will work on it and see what I can do for you. So I'm a Windows user, so I'm just going to click Run on Windows. You'll get to a screen like this, and just choose Start Download. Alright, and save. I already have mine saved. It'll be whatever that says, .exe, Weeby, I don't know, whatever. You'll see it. So you click that, click save, and then mine saved to my desktop right here. You'll get a little icon like this. Looks nice and Ubuntu-like. So go ahead and click on that. This little screen will come up right here. It says Run. Click Run, and it'll load. I don't know how long this video will be. I'm going to try to keep it under 10 minutes because there's no reason for it to go over. So I'm going to start rushing. The previous installation was detected if needed to uninstall before continuing. I already had this installed, so I didn't complete the installation because I was going to do this tutorial. But so uninstall. Now mine, this is what will come up on your screen. You'll see that it says installation drive, how much memory you have free. I have 121 gigabytes free, which is not a lot because my hard drive is kind of large, but okay. Desktop environment Ubuntu, and I'm just gonna put mine, go as much as I can, 30 gigs. Mac users can put as much memory as they want. I'm sure if you just regular download it and burn it to a CD for Windows, you could give it more memory, but for every Windows computer that I've seen this running on, it only allows it 30 gigabytes unless you manually do it. So username, Matthew Holland. Password, doesn't matter. I'm just gonna make my password. There we go. Alright, repeat password, there we go. Install. So I'm gonna go ahead and come back whenever this finishes. Alright, I'm back. and my Ubuntu setup wizard just finished the load, and you need to reboot your computer to complete the installation. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose reboot now, finish, and yes, I guess I'll be back one more time. Hey guys, back again. This is on Ubuntu now. So you can see that this looks different from Windows, obviously. But what it's doing right now is the installation of Ubuntu. It's just finishing it up. Whenever you restart your computer, you'll see that it says your operating system, which mine is Windows 7. And it'll be on like the run kind of looking screen where it's black and it doesn't look very nice. Well, say Windows 7 or whatever you have. Below that, I'll say Ubuntu. So you just select down and then enter on your keyboard, and you can start running Ubuntu. That's how you would have to select your operating system every time that you restarted or shut down and turned back on your computer. So if you turn your computer off every day, every morning or whatever, you would have to choose Windows 7 or let it load it yourself, because after a certain amount of seconds it automatically does it. But basically right now Ubuntu is just installing. It takes a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and end the tutorial here, because afterwards it kind of just works you through it itself. It's really easy to work with. There's really no need for a tutorial. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. Sorry for the camera at the end, a little bit shaky, but that's the best I could do. So thanks for watching.